So, what was our total trip plan? Book flight ticket, board on evening flight from Seattle to Las Vegas, take our pre-booked rental car from Enterprise, drove straight to our pre-booked hotel, checked in. We entered our assigned room at 2:30 am, just changed our dress and fall asleep. Last night it was so tiring. Everywhere we got so long queue. First at the line to reach rental car agency took 40 minutes, and at check-in line of hotel another 35 to 40 minutes. We woke up late and Somya had some office work, so we went out late from hotel. We drove 30 minutes to reach Seven Magic Mountains. Spent some time, took some photos. After lunch, we got back to hotel to reach 1149-foot tall observation desk Skypod. It was New Year Eve, so we could spend only up to 6:30 p.m. with the normal ticket. We had enough time for Fremont State. Went there, but for pandemic restrictions, that was closed for the day. After roaming around like an hour, we got back to hotel and enjoyed New Year fireworks at 12 from hotel. Detailed video link in description box. Next day started for Zion National Park was 2.5 hour drive. Due to COVID situation, only shuttles were allowed within park, and that too with limited capacity. Tickets needed to be booked one day in advance. We accidentally booked only one, so could hike only the places that were possible to go with car, like Watchman Trail from Visitor Center, Canyon Overlook Trail on Route 9, and driving on Route 9 itself was amazing. Left Zion and way to 2.5 hour drive to the city Page. We stopped at Wowie viewpoint of Lake Powell Overlook, then checked in a motel. Check out the description box for Zion National Park video. Next day we started really early. First stop was Glen Canyon Carl Hayden Visitor Center. Then visited Lake Powell Overlook, Glen Canyon Recreation Area, Glen Canyon Dam Overlook. Went to Horsebend. Mainly two things change here from our last two visits, the fee and the hiking route. But the most beautiful geographical area of North America is still same impressive. Picked up lunch from drive-thru counter and started for Monument Valley. But bad luck. Like all other Indian reservations, that was also closed due to pandemic. Though the beauty of Monument Valley from outside is also worth the 2 hours drive. we went back to Las Vegas because next day our plan had for Death Valley. Enjoy the Arizona video linked in description box below. Here is the last day of our trip to Death Valley. This stunning desert holds 3 records. Lowest point in North America is Badwater Basin. It's also the driest place of all national park and is known for its harsh temperature. The highest temperature recorded here was 134 Fahrenheit, that is 57 degrees centigrade in July 1913. In summer 2020, it reached to 124 Fahrenheit, that means 53 degrees centigrade. No matter how much strong a person is, the hot and dry atmosphere makes people exhausted very fast. One can survive only 14 hours here without the water, but it has so many diversity in one national park. It is located in Eastern California in northern Mojave Desert. Don't forget to check the description below for full video link. At the night of the day, we went out for strip walk. The strip, which is always awaken throughout the day, especially at night. We watch Bellagio Fountain Show, Mirage Volcano Show, and watch out the gorgeous hotels. Next morning, checked out from hotel, return rented car, and board return flight at 6 am in morning. To stay connected with us, please subscribe our channel, like the video, leave a comment. Keep watching, keep loving.